Hello friends, today I have come with another interesting topic on the concept of sacred complex. It is one of the important concepts developed on the basis of village studies. I hope you will find this video useful. So let's begin with the topic. The concept of sacred complex was given by Prof.Vidhyaharthi. He conducted a study of sacred city of Gaya and developed the concept of sacred complex under the influence of Robert Redfield in 1961. He gave the concept to study the traditional place of pilgrimage and the religious complex of the societies and their role in rural development in a systematic way. The concept was put forth in his book, The Sacred Complex in Hindu Gaya. Prof.Vidhyaharthi studied the sacred city of Gaya and described the city in terms of three analytical concepts, namely, first sacred geography, second sacred specialist, third sacred performance. Sacred geography. It refers to a certain defined place where people either perform their rituals and mark its sacredness, like the area which belongs to temple, mosque, church, gurudwara, etc. For example, Gaya contains a complex of hundreds of sacred objects and places which are respected by all Hindus. Sacred specialist. It is one who devotes himself to a particular branch of religion and are considered as the knowledgeable person in society. People obey and respect their words. He makes people aware about the tradition and performs various rituals. Sacred specialists are those experts who perform rituals in the sacred places. They are in the form of priests, monks, barbers, pilgrim hunters, sacred singers, reciters, musicians, composers, and so on. According to Professor Vidhyaharthi, the sacred specialist of place of pilgrimage maintain a distinct style of life and transmit certain elements of great tradition to the rural population of India. By popularizing certain texts, by organizing pilgrimage, and by officiating as the rituals and temple priest. Now, what is sacred performance? Sacred performance means the act, roles and duties performed by the human beings. It makes us aware about our roles and duties and how it changes from place to place. For example, first, when we enter a temple, our feet are bare, we wash our hands, etc. Second, in Gaya we offer sacrifices to our ancestral spirits known as Gaya Shraddha. Gaya Shraddha is one of the main sacred performances performed by Gayawal Brahmins and orthodox priestly caste. There were many criticisms too regarding this concept. Some of them are as follows. First, by Vidhyaharthi Saraswati in 1982 proved that the heterogeneous pilgrims interacting in a sacred complex do not hold a common foundation of the sacred complex. Even then, the sacred centers integrates diverse cultural traditions into a common bond of civilization. Second, also by Vidhyaharthi Saraswati in 1965, 1962 and 1975, studied the sacred complex of Neemsawar of Goa and Kashi and concluded that a sacred complex, as in the case of Kashi, need not be a Brahmin complex, rather it may be a non-Brahmin complex, because it includes the coexistence of the Brahminic temples of Viveshwara and the non-Brahmanic shrine of Agyabir in the sacred performances made by Brahmins and non-Brahmins, including the untouchable domes. That means a sacred complex may appear as predominantly a Brahmin complex. It is indeed a complex of a much bigger organization of traditions known as Indian civilization. In the place of Vidhyaharthi Sacred Complex as a theoretical model, Marriott and Cohen 1958 developed alternative theoretical model in the form of networks and centers for studying the places of pilgrimage as dimensions of Indian civilization.
Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please do like this video and subscribe the channel, and also suggest some topic in which I could help you. Thank you, friends.